Mm. Good morning, friends. Welcome back to a new vlog. Long time no see. I know I've been struggling to balance like my work life and my mom life, so filming videos has been not my main priority, but I definitely do want to start making it a priority more. Anyways, it is Friday, September 15th, which means my favorite season is just around the corner. I'm going to film an autumn decorate with me. My home is a little bit of a mess and very like cluttered right now, but I still want to film that video. By the way, don't mind the zits on my face. Ever since getting back on the pill, I have been breaking out like crazy again. Also, I am now 5.5 months postpartum and I am losing all of my hair. Whenever I heard someone complain about that, I was always thinking to myself, how bad can that really be? Well, consider myself humbled. It is really bad. I have bald spots all over my head. I am clogging all of the drains in our home. Our home is filled with my hair. It is driving me insane. Jack is currently asleep right now, as you can see on the monitor, and it is almost 11 in the morning. We slept in a little bit. I already took a shower. I still need to do my makeup, but since my vanity is in Jack's room, I can't really do my makeup right now, so I'll do that later. We have a few packages to unbox. So yeah, today is going to be a cozy chill day at home with my baby. It is a beautiful day today. It is so sunny, so I'll try to get out. I have to get some groceries, so I'll try to do that as well today. I also want to take advantage of the sun and do some laundry and hang it to dry in the sun. I just love the smell of sun-dried linen. But yeah, I think since he is still asleep, I'm going to start on that laundry. Let's start with some unboxing. The first package that I got is actually from a giveaway that I won. So it was from Nivea and Hansaplast. So we got some bandages for kids. I hope you don't need it that often, but it is good to have on hand. And then we have 2 shampoo, showers, and conditioners for kids. We have the Magic Berry scent and Magic Apple scent. So once Jack is a little bit older, we will be able to use these. And then we got a new Lovevery play kit. So this is the play kit for 5 to 6 months. It's called the Sensor. Since Jack is now 5.5 months, this is the play kit appropriate for his age. These boxes are designed so beautifully and they feel very like high quality. So this is the visual for the box, and then we have all of the toys. So each box comes with a guide. You can have this in your own language. My language is Dutch. It has information about the development, activities for at home, tips from professionals. So if you're like me and you get overwhelmed sometimes with what you should be teaching your kid at what age, these are so handy. They take out the guesswork, and it is just like a great way of developing and just learning all about the age your kid is in. So later today I will definitely be going through this, reading how we should implement all of the toys that come in the box. This is the content of the box. So first up we have this wooden box, and this looks like so much fun. It is filled with different colorful tissues which they can grab from, which I think he will absolutely love. Then we have this little colorful ball. Anything with color is a hit right now. Next up I see these, oh, these are little socks. He is actually grabbing his feet all of the time right now, trying to put his feet in his mouth as well. So I think he will absolutely love this. Yeah, he will love these. Next up we have a book that says Parts of Me. How cute are these hands? So these are in English, but that's okay. I mean, he can't read, so we can just translate it for him. So I guess you just point at the nose, for example, the mouth. Each box also comes with a safety and warnings little booklet. Next up we have this. I have no idea what I would call this, but it has a wooden ball in it, I think, which makes noise whenever he turns it around. Again, I think this will be a great hit. And then we have one more thing in here. This is what that looks like. I have no idea what it does. I guess you can spin it around. So yeah, again, I'll have to read the guide to see how we can use all of these toys and how we can implement them. When he's awake, I'll give him his toys and see his reaction. But yeah, I love each play kit so much. Thank you to Lovevery for sending it over. Our baby will absolutely love it again. I also made these candles a few days ago, but I still need to finish them off. Still need to top these off with these little mini paws. These will be the cat mom candles. These are the dog mom candles. And then these are a refill of our Gilmore Girls candles, but I still need to put the labels on all of them, finish them off and stuff like that. So that is on the to-do list for today as well. I also made a bunch of wax melts the other day for our Christmas collection. Look how beautiful they look. But I am still waiting on the stickers. I ordered them on Vistaprint and I think they should arrive either today or Monday, so we'll see about that. By the way, Jack is still sleeping. It is 11:30 right now, but I did want to quickly talk to you guys about the type of content that I have been posting. As you guys may have seen, the last 3 videos that I posted were studio vlogs. I personally love watching studio vlogs. I love filming them. So the studio vlogs are like videos where I make the candles, show you guys behind the scenes of the process and stuff. I personally love that. I love anything that has to do with small businesses, but I know most people on this platform follow me for my more lifestyle and beauty related videos. And I just wanted to say that do not worry, I still plan on filming those videos as well. Today, for example, is a vlog that I'm filming. The next video that I want to film is an autumn decorate with me, so more lifestyle related videos. Yesterday I purchased the Essence Advent calendar, so I want to film a review on that, so that's another beauty related video that is coming up. Also on my list to film is an everyday makeup routine. So for the people that follow me for more beauty and lifestyle related videos, do not worry, those are coming as well. It's just, it has been a struggle balancing everything after having a baby, but I am getting there. I do want to focus more on YouTube, so yeah, do not worry, I am still doing all of those videos. I guess I don't really have a niche anymore. I just post about everything that I love, and I think that should be a thing. I know that people with more of a niche will definitely grow faster on YouTube, for example, and social media, but honestly I do YouTube as a hobby, so for me that's not really my main focus. If I grow, that would be awesome, that would make me very happy, but it is not my main focus. So yeah, we'll see what the future brings, but I did want to quickly update you guys on that, I guess. But yeah, I'm going to watch a YouTube video now. I think Jack should be awake at any time now. And then I can do my makeup. Then he'll probably want his lunch. And then we can go and get some groceries, I think. Boo! Boo! The rainbow wheel is definitely a winner for him. he's drawn to it more than the other toys right now. Whilst Jack watches some Hey Bear Sensory, I'm going to hang up the laundry, put it on my balcony to dry, and also start the vacuum. Out these two chillers. So I decided to go for a very minimal makeup look. I'm just wearing some skin tint, something on my lips, a little bit of concealer. And that is basically it. This is like my no makeup routine. It is pretty hot today, so I decided a full face of makeup was just overboard. Then I also decided to put my hair up. Sorry for the background noise, that is our vacuum. But I decided to put my hair up because having my hair down with a baby is just a terrible idea. But let me show you guys the products that I used. So these are the products that I used. I started off with the Rare Beauty Skin Tint combined with my Hollywood Flawless Filter from Charlotte Tilbury. So I started off with a combo of these. Then I added some concealer on the areas that needed some more concealing. This is the Too Faced Born This Way, my holy grail concealer. Then I added some of the Drunk Elephant Rosy Drops on my cheeks. On my lips, I'm wearing my Summer Fridays Lip Butter Balm in the shade Vanilla Beige. And then just some ColourPop brow gel in my eyebrows. And that is it. Is he that good? So my Vistaprint order finally came in. So this is my Vistaprint order, the first part. I still am waiting on my wax melt stickers, but these are the stickers for my holiday candles. So you guys are getting a little sneak peek. I decided to go for 3 scents. So we have Christmas Tree Farm, Gingerbread House, and Cozy Season. And then because a lot of people were asking for it, I am releasing a Cat Mom candle. So these are the stickers for the Cat Mom candle. Normally on Sunday, so this weekend, I'm going to pour the Christmas candles. Or maybe even tomorrow. So I'm very excited. By the way, this is the advent calendar that I was talking about this morning. So this is Essence's advent calendar for this year. And then these are the products that come in it. So I'm going to film a unboxing and trying the products, but I think I'm going to save that for October or November. I think it's just way too early to put out an advent calendar review. I don't know, what do you guys think? Should I wait? Should I film it? Let me know. Alright, so I'm trying to put him down for his afternoon nap. It is 2:15, but I don't think he's having it. Let me check. I'm going to have to take the blanket off him because that is dangerous. He always does that. But anyways, normally I put him in a sleeping bag, but it is 24 degrees in his room, so I thought it was a little bit much since he's already wearing like a body and a little play suit. Whilst I'm going to try to get him to take a nap, I'm heating up some leftovers from yesterday to eat as my lunch. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and take this blanket off of him. Don't worry, it is a breathable blanket, but still this scares me so much. And that's the reason we always put him in a sleeping bag. Success, he fell asleep. That only took like 2 minutes, which is really fast for him. So yeah, I'm going to enjoy my lunch, watch a YouTube video, have some me time, and then I'm going to try and finish off those candles. Alright guys, it is now 5:30 in the afternoon. I just got done labeling all of the candles. And I think I'm going to take it slow for the rest of the night. My mom is coming over. We are going to watch The Little Mermaid. So yeah, I think I will end the vlog here. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye guys.
Hello, Ramona. I can't shake